ఢిల్లీ లిక్కర్ పాలసీ కేసులో సీబీఐ ఇచ్చిన అన్ని ఎవిడెన్స్ ను స్పెషల్ కోర్టు పరిశీలించిందన్నారు కేజ్రీవాల్ లాయర్ వివేక్ జైన్. ఆరోపణల్లో ఏ ఒక్కటి నేరం చేసినట్లు సీబీఐ రుజువులు చూపలేకపోయిందని కోర్టు అభిప్రాయపడిందన్నారు. సరైన ఆధారాలు లేకనే కేజ్రీవాల్, మనీష్ సిసోడియా సహా 23 మందికి క్లీన్ చిట్ ఇచ్చినట్లు చెప్పారు. ఎక్సైజ్ పాలసీ తయారీ కేవలం సంస్థాగతంగా జరిగినట్లు కోర్టు తేల్చిందన్నారు వివేక్ జైన్.
The criminal justice system or the criminal prosecutions are there to convict real culprit, and it is not an instrument to make illegal charges against anybody. That's the general perception, just the general law. On specific, after going through all the evidence and statements produced by the CBI against all the accused person, court has said that it has gone meticulously over all the statements, all the evidence which is produced by CBI, and not a shred of evidence, not a shred of allegation can be said to cross the threshold of the charge, and that is why the court has discharged them, saying that there cannot be any allegation which can be held to be true in this matter. Court has also said that the whole formulation of excise policy which was done by the government was done through institutional safeguards. It has gone to all the stakeholders, including the Honorable LG, and there cannot be any doubt on the mannerism and the way the policy has been framed. We had submitted before the court that if you see the excise policy, the revenues of the state would have increased. The liquor has become cheaper because there were discounts which were offering. People from other states are coming and buying. So if the customers are happy and if the government is earning more revenue, where is the allegation of any wrongdoing in the excise policy? The court has vindicated that issue and has gone threadbare to all the evidence, all the data, all the figures which are presented by CBI, and has rejected them, saying that not even a prima facie case is made out against any of the accused persons. So it was the case of CBI that there were 3 legal opinions which were taken during the time when the excise policy was framed, and these opinions were not put in the cabinet note, and there was some imagined cabinet note which was there, which was destroyed by Sri Manish Sisodia and the other accused persons. The court has in fact gone to the details of it and has in fact gone into the 3 opinions himself, and had said that even these 3 opinions would not prove any CBI case, and in fact these opinions were in the favor of change in the excise policy. So this is what the court has said. So that is for the CBI to decide. After this thumping order, I think they have to go and reorganize themselves, look at the order, and according to me it is a very well written order which has dealt with everything. So that is for CBI to see whether they want to challenge it. They have a right to challenge this in the High Court. They can challenge that also.